What's up, everyone? 4 and 3 Bros back with another video. Our microphone wasn't completely plugged in for this video, so there's no audio to it. So you're gonna hear some music and then a couple of clips of me talking.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. So this rubber line to the left here, I ended up taking that off and not using it. That's the part that attaches to the rack. It just made no sense to struggle since it's just a return line and it's already in good shape. And I didn't want to fight trying to get in there and get it off the rack. So I didn't use it. Alright guys, so there's one thing that I want you guys to look at in this power steering reservoir. The clap closed, it looks like there's fluid in there. So it looks like the level is perfect. Till you open it up and look inside and there's absolutely nothing there. So when you check your oil weekly,
make sure that you are checking to see where your level is and actually taking it off and looking inside there. So with your fluid full, go ahead and start the vehicle, and you want to check the line for leaks. There shouldn't be any leaks, but you have to make sure anyways. There's no pressure on this line as it is a return line. So what you want to do is just work the wheel back and forth until the reservoir runs low, and then you just keep topping it off and checking it and topping it off and checking it. The pump was making some whining noise until all the air was out, so you just want to keep repeating this process until your fluid level doesn't go down and your pump stops squealing. That's going to do it for this video, guys. This was very easy and very affordable. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Like and subscribe for more.